she just let me be. Even though I know the score, I keep coming back for more. Oh, every place we ever go, everybody seems to know. Well, they know we're just a Punch and Judy show. Punch and Judy show. I wish I knew why she acts this way. We're like puppets in a play. Judy plays at being cruel, while I must act the happy fool. Happy fool. Though I smile, it hurts inside. Even puppets have some pride. I would leave her if I could, if my heart were made of wood. So every day we'll give our show, and it always hurts me so. Yes, we'll always be a Punch and Judy. Always be a Punch and Judy. Always be a Punch and Judy show. Punch and Judy show. Punch and Judy show. Punch and Judy show. Punch and Judy show.
So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Said I'd like to know where you got the notion to rock the boat.
Don't rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat.
I don't tip the boat over.
Rock the boat.
I don't rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat.
Ever since our voyage of love began, your touch has thrilled me like the rush of the wind, and your arms have held me safe from a rolling sea. There's always been a quiet place to harbor you and me.
Our love is like a ship on the ocean. We've been sailing with a cargo full of love and devotion. So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Said I'd like to know where you got the notion to rock the boat.
Don't rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat.
Don't tip the boat over.
Rock the boat.
Don't rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat.
Up to now we sailed through every storm, and I've always had your tender lips to keep me warm. Oh, I need to have the strength that flows from you. Don't let me drift away, my dear, when love can see me through.
Our love is like a ship on the ocean. We've been sailing with a cargo full of love and devotion. So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Said I'd like to know where you got the notion. So I'd like to know where you got the notion. Said I'd like to know where you got the notion. Rock the boat.
Don't rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat.
Don't tip the boat over.
Rock the boat.
Don't rock the boat, baby.
Rock the boat.
Don't tip the boat over.
Rock the boat. Rock the boat.
Rock on with your Betsy.
Rock the boat.
Rock on with your Betsy.
Rock the boat.
Rock on with your Betsy.
Rock the boat.
Roll yeah, roll yeah,
Rock the boat.
roll yeah, roll yeah,
Rock the boat. 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 Rock the boat.
There's talk on the street, it sounds so familiar. Great expectations, everybody's watching you.
treat you like you're something new. Johnny come lately, the new kid in town. Everybody loves you, so don't let them down. You look in her eyes, the music begins to play. Hopeless romantics, here we go again. But after a while you're looking the other way. It's those restless hearts that never mend. Johnny come lately, the new kid in town. Will she still love you when you're not There's so many things you should have told her, but night after night you're willing to hold her, just hold her, tears on your shoulder. There's talk on the street, it's there to remind you. Doesn't really matter which side you're on. You're walking away and they're talking behind you. They will never forget you till somebody new comes along. Where you've been lately? There's a new kid in town. Everybody loves him, don't they? And he's holding her, and you're still around. Oh my. There's a new kid in town. Just another new kid in Everybody's talking about the new kid in town. Everybody's walking like the new kid in town. There's a new kid in town. I don't wanna hear it. There's a new kid in town. I don't wanna hear it. There's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town. There's a new kid in town.
When I became of age, my mother called me to her side. She said, son, you're growing up now. Pretty soon you'll take a bride. And then she said, just because you become a young man now, there's still some things that you don't understand now. Before you ask some girl for a hand now, keep your freedom for as long as you can now. My mama told me, you better shop around. Oh yeah, you better shop around. There's some things that I want you to know now. I just as sure as the wind's gonna blow now, the women come and the women gonna go now. Before you tell them that you love them so now. My mama told me, you better shop around. Oh yeah, you better shop around. I try to get yourself a bargain, son. Don't be so
Nagantabay kamo sa OKFM, ngunyan aldaw po ni Sabado, July 10. Ako si Bert de los Martires. Magiribanang kitnabot man lang yan mga 11:45. Tapag 11:45, igwa po kita kang Bareta alas 12, kitaan mairibanan, abot yan alas 12:30. Ngunyan igwa na po kita ning 13 minutos, makaagian alas 11. Kumapot kamo kang panahon digdi sa naga, nagtataga uran-uran, nagtataga tagiti, nagtataga lumlum, asin man may pag-init-init. Ang sabi kan pag-asa digdi po sa Bicol region, may paminsan-minsan talagang pag-uran, alagad mas grabe ang uran duman sa may parting Mindanao, asin man sulno pa na parte kan Luzon. Dahil yan sa mayo po ning route ng panahon, makikita ning low pressure area, anyaon sa tuya iyo ang intertropical convergence zone.
Darling, I need you. Hold my own and never do wrong. Hold in mind your little hand. I know too soon that holds so grand. Please hold my hand. My dear, I was wrong to try to love you. Hakupa, kupa, kupa, kumpuela. That's my lover. I'm just for you.
Kiss me quick while we still have this feeling. Hold me close and never let me go. 'Cause tomorrows can be so uncertain. Love can fly and leave just hurting. Kiss me quick because I love you so. Kiss me quick and make my heart go crazy. Sigh that sigh and whisper oh so low. Tell me that tonight will last forever. Say that you will leave me never. Kiss me quick because I love you so. Let the band keep playing while we are swaying. Let's keep on praying that they'll never stop. Kiss me quick, I just can't stand this waiting. 'Cause your lips are lips I long to know. Because I love you so. Let the band keep playing while we are swaying. Let's keep I just can't stand this waiting. 'Cause your lips are lips I long to know. For that kiss will open heaven's door, and we'll stay there forevermore. So kiss me quick because I love you so. Kiss me quick because I love you so. Kiss me quick because
Venus, if you will, please send a little girl for me to thrill. A girl who wants my kisses and my arms, a girl with all the charms of you. Venus, make her fair, a lovely girl with sunlight in her hair, and take the brightest stars up in the skies and place them in her eyes for me. Venus, goddess of love that you are, surely the things I ask can't be too great a task. Venus, if you do, I promise that I always will be true. I'll give her all the love I have to give, as long as we both shall live. Venus, goddess of love that you are, surely the things I ask can't be too great a task. Venus, if you do, I promise that I always will be true. I'll give her all the love I have to give, as long as we both shall live. Venus, make my wish come true.
Where do I begin to tell the story of how great love can be? The sweet love story that is older than the sea. The simple truth about the love he brings to me. Where do I start? Like a summer rain that cools the pavement with a patent leather shine, he came into my life and made the living fine, and gave a meaning to this empty world of mine. He fills my heart, he fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. He fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with him along. Who could be lonely? I reach for his hand, it's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I'm going to need him till the stars all burn away, and he'll be there. He fills my heart with very special things, with angel songs, who could be lonely. I reach for his hand, it's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours in a day? I have no answers now, but this much I can say. I'm going to need him till the stars all burn away, and he'll be there.
Yan si Shirley Bassey sa Where Do I Begin? 25, makagi ang 11 o'clock. Pinaparam sa mga amigo sa media sa rupong dating pag-iribas sa broadcast. Actually, nag-iribanan pa kami kayo sa DWRN. Siya po nagtalikod na sa kinaaban, si David Nopre. Kaulay ko sa Facebook si Emmy, ang sayang Mrs. Kasudma. Actually, hinahanap si Wally Vargas na sabi ko yawn man sa Facebook para sa itong insurance niya sa Loyola. And pinapaaram niya na nagtalikod na po sa kinaaban si David Nopre. Naging naka-wheelchair na lang siya. Siguro mga saro ng dekada nakagikan siya ma-paralyze. Kaya nagpapaabot man kami ni pakidumamay, condolence sa pamilya ni David Nopre. Ini po nagtalikod na sa kinaaban. Ang sendang residensya, yaon dyan sa Kiburak, Bagumbayan Sur. Natatandaan ko sa DWRN ang manager mi si Atty. Celso Baguio ay maugma ang iribanan mi kay ito na David Nopre. Kay ba namin itong dipuntong Dave Doliano, maski na si Joel Buena, ay maugma si iribanan mi. Kaya nakakamundo man na maaraman na although ini nagpaingalo na, may nang makulog, yaon na siya sa kinaaban kan kaguranglan, kaya condolence na lang sa pamilya ni David Nopre. Siriman sa Roman na pinsan kan sa kuyang misis, pamilyang Barbosa, si Mori. Si Mori Barbosa po ini nagtalikod naman sa kinaaban. Haloy man siyang nakipaglaban sa kuyan sa iyang problema sa kidney. In fact, ini nagdadialysis. Siya po nagtalikod na sa kinaaban. Natatandaan ko, garo kansarong simana lang, nag-message ang sayang aki na naka-tune in pa na sa kuya, si Mori, ang sa muyang pinsan, sa ngunyang po ini nagtalikod na sa kinaaban. Sa tiyang alas 11:30, tabayanan sa tuyang pagbabareta sa baretang alas 12.
This song is from Wilbert's Hard to Find Music
You're my
Library.
world, you're a brief breath I take. You're my world, you're every move I make. Other eyes see the stars up in the sky, but for me they shine within your eyes as the trees reach for the sun above. So my arms reach out to you, my love, with your hand resting in mine. I feel the power so divine. You're my world, you are my night and day. You're my world, you're every prayer I pray. If our love ceases to be, then resting in mine. I feel the power so divine. You're my world, you are my night and day. You're my world, your every prayer I pray. If our love ceases to be, then it's the end of my world. It's the end of my world. It's the end of my world for me.
All is fair in love. Love's a crazy game. Two people vow to stay in love as one, they say. But all has changed with time. The future none can see. The road you leave behind. Ahead lies mystery. But all is fair in love. I had to go away. A writer who takes his pen to write the words again, that all in love is fair. All the fates a chance. It's either good or bad. I tossed my coin to say, in love with me you'd stay. But all in war is so cold. You either win or lose. When all is put away, the losing side I play. But all is fair in love. I should have never left your side. A writer takes his pen to write the words again, that all in love is fair. A writer takes his pen to write the words again, that all in love is fair. you makes the bluebirds sing, the stars that twinkle way up in the sky tell me I'm in love. When I kiss your lips, I feel the rolling thunder to my fingertips, and all the while my head is in a spin. Deep within, I'm in love. You're my everything, and nothing really matters but the love you bring. You're my everything. To see you in the morning Here's my heart in my hand. Turn around, look at me, understand that there's someone to stand beside you. Turn around, look at me, and there's someone to love and guide you. Turn around, look at me. Oh, I've waited, but I'll wait forever for you to come to me. Look at someone who really loves you. Turn around, look at me. Turn around, look at me.
Listen to the pouring rain, listen to it pour. And with every drop of rain, you know I love you more. Let it rain all night long, let my love for you grow strong. As long as we're together, who cares about the weather? Listen to the falling rain, listen to it fall. And with every drop of rain, I can hear you call. Yeah. Call my name right out loud. I can hear above the clouds and down here among the puddles. You and I together huddle. Listen to the falling rain, listen to the rain. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Went to bed and he bumped his head. Wouldn't get up in the morning. Listen to the falling rain, listen to it fall. And with every drop of rain, I can hear you call. Call my name right out loud. I can hear above the clouds and down here among the puddles. You and I together huddle. Listen to the falling rain, listen to the rain. Listen to the pouring rain, listen to the rain. It keeps on falling, it keeps on falling, yeah, yeah, yeah. Listen to the rain on my window pane. Oh, listen to the rain on my window pane. Listen to the rain, listen to the rain. Listen to the rain. Listen to the rain.
Okay, FM.
Gusto ko, okay ka.
Okay, FM.
Gusto ko, okay ka.
Sakit ng ulo, sakit ng katawan. I-biopatch mo na yan. At eto ang isa sa mga nakaramdam ng ginhawa sa paggamit ng biopatch.
Ako po si Diosdado Alvarez, taga Peña, Francia, 50 years old. May arthritis dahil nakakaturog sa kulog pagbanggi. Kung ka magamit atong biopatch Foresap sa talampakan, nakaturog na ako asin mabiopatch Foresap presko sa bitis. Kaya kung ako sa Indo, mag-biopatch Foresap na kamo.
Kaya ikaw, mag-biopatch ka na.
Ngunya na panahonin pandemya, dai mo na kaipuhan magluwas para magsaod o mag-shopping kan sa indong mga pangangaipo sa indong harong. Kaya mag-Master Square Shop online na! I-type sana ang www.mastersquare.ph asin i-click ang menu sa walang parte para sa pagpili kan mga gusto mong produkto. I-add ang item sa cart asin pilio ng option na delivery or pick up at store. Halaton ang samuyang text message. Kung ang sa imong sinaudan ready for pick up na or delivery, kaya mag-shop online na sa Master Square, J. Hernandez Avenue, Naga City.
Ang new normal kasama ang Gen Z. Face mask, check. Face shield, check. Alcohol, check. Sapat na ba para sa depensa at proteksyon?
Dapat may Gen Z din araw-araw. Ang Gen Z Vitamin C ay nakakatulong magpalakas ng immune system. Kasama ang proper diet at exercise, may laban sa impeksyon, may distancing sa sakit, proteksyon at depensa sa labas at loob. Ito ang new normal natin.
Gen Z Vitamin C, may laban tayo!
Ascorbic acid is the generic name of Gen Z. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Kalidad na car tires at car batteries ng iyong sasakyan. Aba, solve na ang iyong problema. Sagot ka ng Redelgon Tire Trading. Redelgon Tire Trading, garantisado ang serbisyo sa presyong abot kaya. Mapapawang kang talaga. Kaya tara na, subukan na ang Redelgon Tire Trading. Redelgon Tire Trading. Redelgon Tire Trading. Sa serbisyo at presyong panalo ka.
Redelgon Tire Trading, managed by Paulo Gonzaga with following satellite branches. 1 RPJ Tires and Auto Supply, Vincent's Avenue, Log On Diet Camarines Norte, JFTP Tire Supply, Barangay Binatayan, Diversion Road, Taragalbay, and John Ray Tire Supply, Diversion Road, Triangulo, Naga City, owned by Renato Gonzaga.
Madi, saan naman paklasayon ng mga aki mo?
Sa UNC pa di, hulita ang UNC minaopreser nin balansing edukasyon na papanaw na academic programs asin supportive learning environment. Igwasintang programa na success coaching na iyoan masuporta sa mga estudyante na makatapos asin makahanap tulos ng trabaho.
Iyon naman di, sa panahon ngunyan, kaipuhan ng GAD ang maray na kalidad ng edukasyon para masiguro na makatapos ng pag-adal ang mga aki para sa maray na futuro.
Tama ka dyan pa di, ang UNC saro sa mga nangingenot asin dakulang institusyon sa Kabikulan. Napurbaran na ang track record na may marhay na kalidad asin halangkaw na oportunidad sa pag-impleyo. Bako lang sa satuyang lugar, kundi pati man sa ibang nasyon. Sa UNC, ang mga aki magiging life ready, work ready, asin future ready.
Ayos pala sa UNC, Madi. Sige, tamasikaso na ako. Iibahan ko ang sakong aki na mag-enroll sa UNC. Salamat, Madi!
Sabay sa pagbabago kan panahon. Kakatiwalaan sa pagpapaabot kan mga bareta asing impormasyon. Totoong balansyado. Mga komentaryong susog sa tamang rason. Patugan na swak sa kada henerasyon.